how to use that concept. And next, we are going to learning about different kinds of verification points. If I say here, guys, can you please able to hear me? Are you able to see my name in the chat box? Means you will say here, yes. In the attendance, we are able to see your name in as a Lavanya, as an organizer and presenter. Similarly, guys, here also you are going to verifying the as a tester. Every time we have to verify one on the other. Yes, this particular button is present. This particular edit box is available. How to verify? Let's say here, I'm just telling you one small example to understand the tool. Okay, don't get tense like every time in every company they will show you the flight application only, Lavanya. So you also will show only the flight thing. No, we will go ahead and explain you different checkpoints on different applications. For now, how can all of you guys please? I'm going to unmuting you. Fitz, Prabha, Prema, everyone,
yes.
Guys. Yeah. Now see here, this is a flight application. How can you say like this is a flight application? How can you say like this is a login page?
Because we can see that agent's name and password.
Okay. Next.
What's the file name?
What file name? No file. That the dialog box name is login. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Am I right, Prabha?
Yeah.
How can you, if I say here, this is not login page, this is a bank page. You will immediately say here, hey Lavanya, come on, this is not bank page. This is a login page of one of the application. Am I right, Fitz?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So how can I say, how as a human brain, we know like this is the heading of the page is login. And we are able to see one diagram, one picture on the page which is called slicing. Correct? Yes, sir. How to verify the same concept in the QTP? How we will verify? How we will verify? Any idea?
Object repository.
Object repository is the memory, Vinay. No object repository. It's a memory. I'm going to showing you. Okay? All of you guys see here, the mode of QTP is in ready mode, right? Understand here the mode of QTP also. You have to learn thoroughly the QTP angle. What are the different kinds of mode? What are the different kinds of mode in QTP? Any idea? What are the different modes of QTP?
Digital mode.
Sorry, come again.
Digital mode.
Oh, no.
Analog mode.
That is recording. I'm asking the mode.
Okay.
But you tried. Very good job. The mode of QTP, see here. Current view of the QTP is ready. Are you able to see here ready? Yes, or no?
Yeah.
The ready
Yes.
mode. If I click on record things fit, here, I'm going to explain you very detailed here what option that you have to choose. In generally, when you join organization, you have to work on only one project, right? Yes or no? Whether it may be a web-based project or it may be a desktop project. So how to use, which option that I have to use? We will tell you in detail thoroughly. Okay, but currently I have already opened the page. I am choosing here record and run test to any open browser. See here, what is the mode of QTP now?
Recording.
Recording mode.
So previously, it is in ready mode, right?
Ready
Yes
mode.
or no? Let's say here, I want to verify as I have written my test case as Fitz, Vinay, Saujanya and Prema Prabha. I have written my test case. Test case is a very simplified document which explains the user what steps that I have to follow in application, what is my expected value. Am I right? Yes or no? So for the same way, the test case says here, open the login page and verify whether flight button is available or not. Flight image is available or not. If you want to verify the image, generally we want to verify here pixel by pixel, coordination by coordination. See here, insert, checkpoint, bitmap checkpoint. All of you able to see? Bitmap
Yes.
checkpoint. I have chosen here bitmap. I am placing my cursor on the image which is called flight. Oh, now it's coming here object selection with Vinay. See here. This is how it is going to display. Oh, this particular record or this particular button you clicked is associated to one of the top of the record. I can say here branch tree and the branches. Oh, this particular record is name called static image which is appearing under a login page. This is called test object property. The object is here is the test type of object is dialog and the image type is static. That means every time whenever you open the image is standard one. Clear? Once you click on OK. See here I want to select whole thing. Selected, click on OK. Now I want to see here whether login name is present or not. Whenever you want to verify the name of the dialog or edit box or radio group or link, you have to choose standard checkpoint guys. Okay. Now I'm choosing here standard. I'm placing on the top of the head of the application. Login I want to verify. I want to see here all the properties. Click on OK and then stop recording. The QTP will tell you very detailed about keyword view and export view. The keyword view, when whatever you recorded, it will explain you in a simple English language. The export view will explain the same statements in a VBScript language. Whenever we are using VBScript, all of you guys, it will come as a parent and child record. That means you clicked on the static image which is appearing under a parent record called login. Any question here? You have to understand like this for the VBScript part guys. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, the active screen. What is the purpose of active screen in the QTP? What is the purpose of active screen in the QTP? The active screen purpose of QTP will tell you the automation engineer what options that he have been recorded with a screenshot. Now see here, first thing I have been verified here, image 1, right, which is highlighted in dark color. Am I right guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Next, I have verified for login page. See here. So you have to understand which purpose that I have to use the active screen. What is the usage? How I have to send it to the client. Once you click on run command, see here guys, it is going to explaining you very thoroughly. Yes, you have been clicked on these verification points. That is the reason. See here. From the client angle, when you are sending to your client, hey, client is asked like, did you verify these test cases? You will say here, yes, I have verified. Where is the proof? This result file is a proof. And it will tell you like, I have executed 2 test cases, like verifying whether the image is there or not, verifying whether the login page is present or not. See here? Yes or no? Now, when you are sending to the client, you have to send it as a zip file, guys. Export to HTML file. In those scenarios only, the client will understand, yes, this particular test case is already executed by the automation engineer. The result file will tell you very accurately how much time it has been taken. What is the result? Is it clear? I've been shifted the time to the Indian time, so it is going to telling me like, okay, I have executed this scenario for 3 seconds of time. Am I right? Yes or no? Speed up the process.
Yes.
To get more accurate and speed the process. See here. So like this, we are going to learning very thoroughly. I am going to sending you very detailed notes on what is the topic base, how to do the actions or how to record those things, very detailed step-by-step things. And then we are going to focusing on that particular topic interview questions. The total duration for QTP, it is going to taking you 15 hours of your time. We will have daily 1 to 1.5 hour classes. Okay. And then we are going to having the interview on the QTP perspective also. We are going to touching, I think, hope you received the syllabus for the QTP. Did you receive, guys?
No, not yet.
No, I didn't receive.
No, yes.
We are going to sending you the syllabus also. After the class, we will send you guys. Okay?
And excuse me, Lavanya, I have a question.
Yes, please.
And other than QTP, are you going to teach anything, any other tool other than QTP?
first you have to decide here, Prema, whether you want to learn the functional tool or you want to learn the performance tool or you want to learn the unit tool. Selenium is a unit testing purpose where we were going to using. That's the reason Java is mandatory. Okay, right now in the Selenium latest version, no VBScript is going to supporting you. Only the Java based thing. So I'm going to teaching you the QTP with including the VBScript language and including the framework. There are 4 types of frameworks are available right now: linear, hybrid, data driven and keyword driven. We are going to touching all these frameworks. Is it clear? Did I answer your question?
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
So next question. Yes, please, Fitz.
Yeah, Lavani, I just wanted to touch whether you will touch the service testing part of it or no.
Why you want to service testing? For service testing, we won't use, I'm practically working in one of the MNC. We won't use for service testing with respect to database level. Better we will do it as a manual thing, not with respect to the QTP angle. What is your concept with respect to service thing? You want to go ahead and say here you have different kinds of verification which you have database thing and all those angles?
Yeah, but if a client wants to just test service before the application is ready, so I just wanted to be ready.
You. Please come back from the development angle.
Okay.
Client does not want to verify the services. Client, we are going to working on an automation tool, either the web-based project or it's a desktop application. Okay. So first thing you should be very clear what kind of project that I am automating. You are going to getting very clear information from the client. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any other question, Vinay?
No,
For
that's
web
it.
services we won't do with